Hello guys, so we are back again, and in this session we are going to begin with a new topic of linear differential equation. But before starting with the session, hope you have subscribed our channel so that we can bring more engineering content for you guys. Now let's begin with the session. Now in this session we are going to start with a new thing, okay, which is called, till now we have studied first order first degree ordinary differential equation, but now we are going to study first order linear differential equation. Okay, linear differential equation. So this is quite new to you. Now what we are going to see, okay, its general form. Okay, its general form is nothing but, you have to remember, dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. Hope you have seen this form in your class 12th differential equation chapter, but if you don't know, just remember its general form is this, where x is independent variable and y is dependent variable, right? After you make out this thing, so since x is independent variable, so q of x is always a independent function. Why? Because it has x terms only, and it is only q of x, while this is a multiplication of y and p of x. So this cannot be, but this can be, because it is only x term function and which is on the right side. So the right side part is completely independent function. Now if this type of function appears, its integrating factor is given by e to the power integral p of x dx. Now, so some things which you also have to take care, that coefficient of dy by dx is always 1, otherwise you will not be able to solve it. So this is integrating factor and the coefficient should be 1. This is independent. Okay, all these terms I hope you have understand. And y is, okay, y is dependent variable, x is independent and y is dependent variable. Now this was the first form. There can be second form also, dx by dy plus q of y into x, sorry, p of y into x into q of y. This is the second form. And here what will be happen is that this will become independent, and here y is independent variable, x is dependent variable. So just remember the term which is in the denominator, which will be what, independent, and in the top which will be dependent. Similar things will happen here, and the integrating factor here will be given by e to the power integral q of y, the part which is attached with x or y, or you can say part which is attached with the dependent variable, into dx, sorry, dy. So this was the types of equation which you will see, and the solution. Okay, the solution is like, their solution was obtained by integral m of x comma y into dx plus n of x comma y terms free from x, that thing. But here the solution will be obtained by a thing which is called y into integrating factor. Okay, for this equation, y by dy by dx, the solution will be obtained by y into integrating factor into integral I dot f into q of x dx plus c. If the solution is this is the second type, this is the first type. If it is first type, then the solution will be like this. If it is second type, then the solution will be like this, x into integrating factor. Okay, x into integrating factor into bracket, what you can say, integrating factor into q of, there was what, q of x, here it will be q of y into dy plus c. So they both have the solution little bit difference, but you have to keep in mind which one you have to use for which type of equation. Now let's see you whether you can identify here what should be integrating factor and what should be the solution formula. So if I give you this dv by dt plus p of t into v equals to q of t. Now we have to identify which is dependent and independent variable. The thing which is in the denominator is always independent, so t is independent while v is dependent. After identifying this, you have to go for one thing, that so if t is independent, so q of t is what? Independent function, right? Independent function. Now its integrating factor will e to the power whatever attached with the dependent variable, p of t into dt. This is your integrating, and its solution will be what? This thing, which is what? If you remember properly, whatever dependent variable there is, it is multiplied here. So dependent variable is v into integrating factor into integral what? Integrating factor into, here we used to multiply by q of x into dy, which was the right side part, so q of t in plus c. Okay, so you have to relate things like this. Anything can be made, okay, two terms, any constant terms can be taken and made this first order linear differential equation, and they can ask you to solve it. Now let's begin with the question. The question which we are going to take in this session are as follow. The first question is this: solve, okay, let me know. The question says solve dy by dx plus y by x equals to x square. Okay, now to solve this, the first two questions I'm going to write with step, and after that we are going to just write whatever things are important. Otherwise it's quite a long process and it's complicated, okay, writing the same statements again and again. Okay, so now you have reached to engineering level, so you should understand what you are going to write again and again. Okay, that much you must have developed your brain. Now first what we are going to write, writing given differential equation as, first you have to write it in the format dy by dx equals to p of x into y into q of x. So if you try to write that, you will come to know you can write it dy by dx plus bracket 1 by x into y equals to x square. Okay, this is a first order linear differential equation, okay, FOLDE. Okay, I will use this word continuously. First order linear differential equation of the form, what is the form? Dy by dx plus p of x into y into q of x. Okay, this was the form where p of x is what? 1 by x, and q of x is nothing but x square, right? Now integral p of x dx is nothing but integral 1 by x dx, which you can see ln x. Okay, how we make out this step? So you know the integrating factor is going to be this term, integral e to the power p of x dx. So we are going to calculate it first only, then we are going to substitute it. Integrating factor is what? E to the power integral p of x dx. If you substitute e to the power ln x, which will become x. So this is your integrating factor. So its solution is given by what? Dependent variable into integrating factor equals to bracket integrating factor into whatever on the right side, q of x, which is independent function only, into dx plus c. So you will say it is nothing but y into x. Okay, here x into x square, which you have to integrate into dx plus constant, and if you see it is x cube integration plus c, which is further on x raised to 4 by 4 plus c into y into x. This is our answer. So hope you have understand each and every line what we have to write, what we have to tell. In the first two questions we are going to do it in detail, but afterwards we are going to just write this equation. Okay, just mention what is p of x and q of x. I will speak the statements, but I will not write the statements. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. So if we take the next question, let me take the next question. So the next question is as follow. This is going to be the last question, okay, of this session. So if you see, the question says solve dy by dx minus y tan x equals to 1. Now the things which we have to keep, okay, identifying these type problems, okay, whenever they appear, the first step is writing equation, given differential equation as what you have done, dy by dx plus, okay, no, sorry, minus tan x into y into what, independent variable into dependent variable into 1. Now remember, in the independent variable which is on the right side, a constant number can also appear as it is independent variable only. It is not that necessary that it should be a function of x. Okay, here constant number can also appear, so it is a good example. Now after writing this, you can clearly make out this is a first order linear differential equation of the form dy by dx plus q of x into y, sorry, p of x into y into q of x. Okay, where p of x is nothing but, what you can say, what is p of x, minus tan x. What is q of x, 1. After identifying this, you have to get integral p of x dx. If you try to get minus tan y, you will come to know it is minus log sec x. You can move this power up, which is log sec x to the power minus 1. Now integrating factor is nothing but e to the power integral p of x dx, which you can see e to the power log sec x power minus 1, which you can say sec x power minus 1, which is 1 by sec x, which is nothing but cos x. So its solution is, what you can say, y into integrating factor equals to bracket integrating factor into q of x, okay, into dx plus c. If you substitute, y will be y cos x equals to bracket cos x into 1 into dx plus c, and if you integrate cos x, is nothing but sin x plus c. So this is our answer. Hope you have understand each and every step. So we are done with this session. In the next session we are going to some more questions on this, but in that session we are not going to mention all these statements. We are just going to focus on getting the answer, okay, because we are going to take a lot of examples. So to cover them, we have to don't need to write the repetitive statements again. All these statements are same only, if you observe. Okay, so see you in the next session. Okay, practice these two problems and listen again what was the definition of first order linear differential equation and how you have to solve it. Okay.